Adia na fe na beka. E blower the pantini ahwe na mba ni chesi e no.
Sisi ade abroso. Sisi ade abroso. Hey, right now the thing over me. The thing has overed me. Hey, so you see, if I say I'll go to Perfect Match Extra next season, and some people will come to my comment section, hey, loyalty, are you going to, Perfect Match because of money? Hey, be there. Next year, we are all going on Perfect Match Extra. JeyChrys has gotten the biggest gift, the biggest single gift, or the biggest gift as far as PM Extra Season 2 is concerned. The biggest single gift, JeyChrys has gotten it. JeyChrys has been given a brand new car. Loyalty TV series, subscribe, like, share, and then put us on post notification so that whenever we post, you get to see what we are doing. So that whenever we post, you see, and then you like, you share, you subscribe, and then you drop your comment, after the video. So, you say, oh boy, no chuka bang, ano nante, nanoba bang. Yes, JeyChrys has gotten a brand new car together with other gift, cash prize, and all that from his J Army. So the J Army presented a key to a brand new car. As for the brand new, I don't know, because in the video it was not a tear rubber. But then lesson, it be brand new car we then take give JeyChrys from the J Army. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch the video of JeyChrys receiving his gift.
Woo! Oh my God! Brand new car, bro! Don't play! Hey, are you serious? I'm serious. Wow. No, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. This is crazy. How do I? Woo! This is crazy. This is crazy. Whoa! 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 Oh God! Yo, what do you have to say? Come. Wow! Enter your radler. Ooh, damn, bro! Wait. Woo! Oh my God! Brand new car, bro! Don't play! Hey, are you serious? I'm serious. Wow. No, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. This is crazy. How do I? Woo! This is crazy. This is crazy. Whoa! Oh God! Yo, what do you have to say? Come. Wow! Enter your radler. Ooh, damn, bro!
That's JeyChrys receiving a his car. Yes, JeyChrys, J Army. The ship dealer voice that we played say, this is so nice. This be nice. The car be nice. So JeyChrys, congrats to you. Now there, oh boy, no chuka bang, nante, what, like those things, no, it be a thing of the past. JeyChrys getting his brand new car, and also don't forget that Charlie, the housemates are overdoing themselves. And Big Brother Naija starts tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, where we are giving you, content of BB Naija as well. But for now, let us enjoy Perfect Match Extra, where the housemates, they do well. Charlie, the housemates are doing extremely well. Yesterday, they also helped, Jason and then Darling to launch the Jalen Foundation. So a lot. And Charlie, Team Drizzy too said that Charlie, the next project that they are about to unveil, it will take one hands, a GSM, and with Team Drizzy too, yesterday Drill and then Rosie were unveiled as the newest brand ambassadors for Belacqua. We did a story, it's on our page. If you haven't, kindly check it out. Loyalty TV series, subscribe, like, share, and then put us on post notification. We're out.